Hey guys, this is Wayne again. Welcome to the show. Welcome to the show, Saturday morning show. I hope you feel good today. I hope you feel positive. I hope the day, is bright for you. And if it's not, find someone bright. Find something bright. Go, pick up a bright book, watch a movie, do something to lift your spirits. All right. So now. Before I begin, today we're going to be talking about brush rolls and cleaning them and all those things. And I'm going to go a tiny step beyond the regular things, just a tiny thing. It's a reminder, that's all. Some of the stuff you already know. But I do want to let you know, I really appreciate everyone that subscribed to the channel. I'm trying to get over 1,000 subscribers, and I was talking to a new friend of mine. She just won the steamer, and we had a conversation and about the things that we'll sit and watch for hours. Like if I was smashing vacuums outside, I'll probably get 1 million views for smashing vacuums. Like, what turned me on to that? My sons used to, I don't know, they probably still do. They used to watch these guys smash iPhones, right? Just like, what are you doing? This guy is, watch this. He's gonna throw it off the roof. I was like, holy cow, man, that's amazing. That is amazing. But it is extremely popular, and the stuff on TikTok and these guys. I am amazed at how funny people are. People are genuinely very funny. We wouldn't have known this. I mean, from school and in lunchroom, you guys, we tell jokes and stuff like that. But people, you guys are hilarious. Some of the things you put together is just out of this world. So I'm not knocking this new generation for sure. But it's just, no, I'm probably not going to smash vacuums. And I'm probably not going to put up paint drying and says you watch paint dry. There's an audience for that though. But you guys, I'm very impressed by the creativity of the new generation. All right, so now, but thank you all for sticking around. Thanks for sharing the videos. I really appreciate it. And we're at about 900 and something. So please help me get over 1,000. I appreciate that. All right, here we go. Now, brush rolls. An essential part of maintaining your vacuum, just like your toothbrush. Sometimes you need to just replace your brush roll. Believe it or not, just like replacing your brush. I don't need a brush, but your toothbrush, things like that. Your brooms, just sometimes the bristles you just need to replace them, right? But before that, just maintain it. Get all this hair and stuff like that out of it. And a lot of the times when you see the advertisement for pet vacuum, a lot of it is really just giving you away. Like, you see like this one right here? See this vacuum? It has that line right there. Okay. It just allows you to cut away, have like a groove that you can cut away the hair easily, and then you can just take it off. All right. So this stuff, everyone pretty much know what to do. You go and you cut your hair off. It's just a nuisance to do it, especially if you have long hair. It's just like, again, right? But the other side of taking care of your brush is to know whether or not you have one of those end caps that you can take off and clean the hair out of there, because hair do get caught up. Let me show you. And carpet fibers get caught up in this section right here, and it accumulates right in here, okay? And then friction happens, rotations per minute, right? It's happening. And then all of a sudden your brush seizes, and the weakest link between the brush and the motor is that belt, and that snaps. The motor's not going to stop because of the belt. You see what I'm saying? The brush would stop because, let's say, a sock or melting. But the I'm saying hi to my mailman. And he's also the best driving instructor in town. Some of you who live in Monroe should know what I'm talking about. That's Oscar, man. He's a man. But anyway, so some of the mail caps Male caps. Whenever you get distracted, some of the end caps can come off, and you have that, right? So what you do, you kind of go in there, and you can clean this stuff out, get the hair out, get the carpet fibers out, put it back together. You're good to go. Kirby has the same one. I think this was a Kenmore, I believe. Kirby has the same one. Comes right off, right? And you can go in, clean out the stuff from in there, clean out the dirt from in there, put it back together, and you're good to go. See that? So that's you maintain this stuff, all right? Keep it going. This one is a Hoover. Now this one is not really meant to come off, if I'm not mistaken. There's a few of them, especially if they have this. Let me show you what I'm talking about. If they have those little things right there, most of the time, they're not designed to come off. And if you try, you'll break it. Now you really have to get a new brush. But so you can check. Let me check this one. Here's one more thing you need to do. If you notice you keep putting belts on and they keep snapping, go like this and just check like that. If it's not spinning freely like this, okay, the problem is that it's seizing up, okay, or there's hair on this side. There's hair inside this cap area that's stopping this from spinning freely, okay? It has to be like this. It's not like that. Not like you're like, hey, look, it's spinning, it's spinning, it's spinning, it's spinning. No, the brush the belt will break again, okay? If it's not like that, with your finger, just hold the end caps and just flick it. It should do that. Let me see. Let's check this one. See that? This one's a little rough. I can feel it. I can feel it on this one. This end cap here is a little rough. It could be the bearings or something, but I felt this one, and those are ways you can test. The Dyson DC7, DC14, DC33. These can come off. These end caps here can come right off. Okay, and but be careful if it's an old machine. Just be very gentle, because if you pry it off, it will snap off. Okay, but this is notorious for getting hair wrapped around. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Okay. Okay. This is notorious for getting hair, okay, caught up in this inside this. Look at that. So if you're having problems with this brush, that's the cause right there. The belts, yes. The DC7, DC14, DC33, it uses a clutch. And that clutch has two belts. And because we just don't look at it, we don't think about it, we've used it for years thinking, oh, okay, it's just not clean anymore. And really what you just need to do, you need to change the two belts on the clutch, okay? Most of the time you may want to get someone to do that for you if you're not really into that sort of stuff. Some people just buy a new clutch and just be done with it. But the clutch is serviceable, and there are times when you know it's the clutch. When you start hearing the sound, it's like you turn it on. I'm talking about the DC7, DC14, DC33 Dyson vacuums, right? You turn it on, you put it down to the floor, and it has this like it sounds like this. All right, that's when you know that clutch is the problem. Okay, you either need to replace that clutch or you need to change the belts on the clutch. Don't throw it away because of that reason. Okay, it's not the motor. All right, but I think that's it. That's it. A lot of the more expensive ones, they'll have the way for you to pop off these they have the bearings on the end. Those are the more expensive. But the ones that you buy, 89, 79, most of the time you won't be able to change it. You just have to buy a new brush. Just kind of let you know that's kind of the design of it. But I will try this one here with you guys and see. If I break it, then what can I say? I don't know about this one, man. This looks like a good looking brush, man. I don't want to risk this one. But let me prove my point with this guy here. Now you see that? Okay, and most of the time when you have this little metal piece right here, most of the time, because the Dyson has it, see that? It has a little spot for the metal piece, and it was able to come off, right? But not all of them. Let me see this guy. Let's see this guy. Nah, see? This guy is not designed to pop off. This is you need to get a new brush. If and they don't sell the cap either for you to mess with this, so you wouldn't even be able to buy a new cap. Okay, that's pretty much it. That's as simple as I think I can make this. Also, if you have like these little stick vacuums, the Sharks, Dyson, clean out. Take your time, clean out the head. Take the brush out. Spray it with whatever, clean it out. It's a mental thing. You take care of the machine, you wipe it down a little bit. You tend to want to, your mind is not throw it out. Your mind is, hey, let me get the most out of this while I can, and then buy another one if you like. We sell vacuums here, so you want another vacuum, I'd be more than happy to help you. But I'll tell you the truth, I'm not gonna just try to sell you another one because I'm just trying to make a few bucks. If you genuinely want to fix that one, we'll try. And if not, if it can't, then we'll suggest something else. Just like that, all right? So that's it, guys. Again, thank everyone for subscribing. Please share the videos as much as you can. We still have a raffle going on. We're raffling off this is the next one. We're giving this away. And then we have a big green machine that we're also giving away by the end of the month. You should be able to find, if you want a raffle ticket to be in the chances with this thing. It's a fun little thing I'm doing for the month of August. And I can't wait till I give away this big green machine. Someone is going to be really happy with just a $10 investment into the raffle. And they're going to walk away with a $400 machine. Is that cool? So, all right. And maybe after this one, I'll do one around Christmas time, and then I'll do one around the springtime, just for fun. All right, guys. I'll see you later. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye-bye.